Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to do home 4 of Reeborg's world. So all we have to do is just create a loop that will go like 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So all we have to do is just write for I in range of 4, close the brackets up and write here our code. So all we do is move 2 times, then turn left, move, then turn left, turn left, and move, and turn left. Okay, now let's run it. It has to work. Yep, it will work. Yep. Oops, ouch, I hit a wall. Oh, now we gotta think. Why? Become like this. What will happen if we delete these? Let's check. I don't think it will work. Just checking. Yep, it will not work. Yep. Let's do it okay without this. Yep. Let me delete. Oops, we have to delete. So I delete and then I delete again, delete this part too, and lastly this part. So okay, turn left, and then I move, and then turn left, and then move, then turn left, then move, then turn left, then move, turn. Then we have to again turn left, then move like 3 times, and then turn left, and then move, and then turn left, then move, then turn left, then move, turn left, move, and that's all. It has to be all. Oops, where did they make mistake? Oh, I have to make it again move. Yep, it will work right now. Yes, it will work. Yes, I think this should work. And it will work. Yes, Reeborg is at the correct X and Y position. So okay guys, this was all for this round 4, home 4. See you in the next video. Bye bye.